Birobidzhan was this area in Eastern Siberia which was developed as a Jewish autonomous region with the hopes that it might become in time a full-fledged Yiddish-speaking Soviet republic. There were a few moments where Birobidzhan might have turned into something. One such moment was in the mid-30s. Another such moment was after 1945. But in both cases, the Soviet state quashed whatever momentum was developing. That said, it's doubtful whether in the long run Jews would have abandoned their homes for this mosquito-infested wasteland.